enjoy your extended vacation, but don't forget to learn, gain new skills, polish old ones, and don't fall behind. I'll be teaching you creative writing, Cambridge UK style, and I will try to make it as fun as possible for you. Use lots of audio visuals, play lots of games with you. We'll solve fun worksheets together, and I hope that through writing you can release a lot of your pent-up emotions to get through this intense lockdown. And I hope to make you dig deeper within yourself to find that hope and strength. Well, I simply love children. I think they're so innocent yet so intelligent, and I love the way that they view the world. It's very unique, and you get to learn a lot from them. And I hope I'm also able to teach them a few things. I think I'd be a farmer. Yes, I love fruits and vegetables, and I love open spaces, and especially organic food. I really like it. So I think I'd be a farmer, yes. For me, a nice book with a cup of steaming tea curled up like a cat on a sofa is my idea of perfect happiness. I'm Dimple ma'am. Come learn with me at Openhouse.